Now, the latest ICMR study reveals that mixing of vaccines work and produce good results. The study, after the detailed research was done, after incidents of vaccines were noticed in some states. Let's take a quick look at this report.
Mixing and matching of vaccines work and generate good results. That is the conclusion of a study that has been done by the ICMR on mixing of vaccines. The study by itself was done by chance, when 20 individuals were inadvertently given a mix of Covishield and Covaxin in Uttar Pradesh, raising concerns about the possible adverse side effects then. But the ICMR sensed an opportunity in studying the recipients and conducted the study. Here is what the researchers have found. The study was conducted between May and June this year in Uttar Pradesh. The study shows that immunization with combination of adenovirus, vector platform-based vaccine, followed by inactivated whole virus vaccine was not only safe, but also gave better immunity against the variant strains of SARS-CoV-2. The study is yet to be peer-reviewed. The ICMR has said such mixed regimens will also help to overcome the challenges of shortfall of particular vaccines and remove hesitancy around vaccines in people's mind that could have genesis in programmatic errors, especially in settings where multiple COVID-19 vaccines are being used. But experts advised caution.
I would not jump to the conclusion that this data is enough to switch to interchangeability of vaccines. We still need more data, probably a bigger study with a large number of participants, well designed. And once findings from that study are available, then only we can take a call.
In India, CMC Vellore has got the permission from the drugs controller to carry out mixing trials of Covaxin and Covishield. Bharat Biotech too, in principle, has got the permission, at least an approval from the subject expert committee, to carry out trials of mixing the nasal vaccine drops and Covaxin. But until there is data available, experts world over say that mixing is something that should not be tried on our own, and we should be sticking to taking, at least in India, 2 doses of one vaccine that we have been doing right from the very beginning. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.